Talk about Celsius and everything that's going on here with Celsius's move to halt the crypto withdrawals. So you can see here Celsius, if you're unfamiliar, a lot of people store their crypto on Celsius. A lot of people stake their crypto on Celsius. 1.7 million people, to be exact, call Celsius their home for crypto. And there's just a lot of things going on here with Celsius. So you can see here at the top of their website, withdrawals and swaps and transfers between accounts are currently paused. Okay, so we are writing this is a Medium article from the Celsius team that was put out on June 12th. We are writing this very important message for our community. Due to extreme market conditions today, we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfer between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations. So obviously this is huge news, kind of unforeseen news here in the blockchain community. It's pretty crazy, right? A lot of people, a lot of backlash here from to Celsius from holders. A lot of people that are staking their crypto on Celsius here, not very happy with this. Kind of keeping everyone's crypto hostage inside Celsius. Is definitely kind of nerve-wracking for a lot of people, especially during the current climate that we are in. Not only in just crypto, in the entire U.S. Economy, global economy, stock market's down. So really tough here for in my opinion for Celsius to come out and do this. But I want to talk about this. So it's catching Washington's eye. So crypto lender Celsius Network decision to pause all withdrawals for customers as cryptocurrencies plunges, catching the attention of administration and lawmakers. The thinking within the Biden administration is that regulations that were proposed to regulate stablecoins by the White House by President working groups could extend to the entire crypto space to avoid runs and platforms shutting down, as the case in Celsius. Recent events, Celsius and US Terra, only reinforced the need for regulatory framework for digital assets. These events bolster the case for action and the need to mitigate the risk of these assets, according to an U.S. administration official. Again, we talked about Celsius stopped all customer redemptions and transfers between accounts because of what they called extreme market conditions, right? Celsius's network CEL token has plummeted more than 50% because of this. Kevin Gupta, a founder of early-stage blockchain fund Delta BC Fund, said Celsius is a classic example of lacking liquidity. Obviously, this does come down to liquidity. It's a liquidity issue, Gupta told Yahoo Finance. People who invested in Celsius expecting 16 to 18% returns. Celsius was always vocal. It was taking the money as a hedge fund to manage it in on other assets. When there was a big withdrawal and everyone tried to get their crypto out, it was like a classic banking problem. It's just more people trying to make money out than they have liquidity for. Now, similar goes to like a similar example if you're just a regular holder or a buyer or investor of crypto. Double-edged sword. There's times where you wish you had liquidity, and then there's times where you wish you didn't have liquidity, right? And this for Celsius, they definitely bit off more than they could chew. So to help ensure against runs, the PWG's proposal for stablecoins could extend to digital asset exchanges. Like stablecoin issuers, customers' assets should be separated from trading platforms. Digital wallets held on exchanges should be subject to federal regulatory oversight, and exchanges should be restricted for lending customers' digital assets out, and they should also comply with liquidity and capital requirements. The SEC did not immediately respond for comment. The SEC Chair Gary Gensler has reportedly encouraged exchanges to register with the agency, threatening enforcement action if not. So this is pretty crazy what is happening here with Celsius now that the government is kind of seeing what this is happening here. I think this could potentially have a long-lasting impact on the crypto space as far as exchanges go and government regulations. Definitely interesting, and definitely I'm not personally holding any crypto on Celsius, but I know people that are, and they are very, very upset by this move by Celsius. Kind of seems just at the bare live reaction, it kind of seems a little bit illegal to do, but nonetheless, gonna be interesting to see what continues to happen here with Celsius. Obviously, the entire crypto market it's just a bloodbath right now, and it's really tough to even look at your exchanges and to look at your accounts just because of how down they are. But again, in crypto space, we try to remain positive, and with these bear markets comes bull markets, in my opinion. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.